Kairouan has an incredible historical heritage. The city grew and has become North Africa's spiritual and religious capital. A stroll in its old town, the Medina, gets you to discover Kairouan's ancestral art of carpet weaving. Apart from its spectacular architecture, the town is illustrious for its delicious and traditional food. The Aghlabid pools, one of the largest hydraulic works in the Islamic world. 12 centuries after its golden age, Kairouan kept a pious vocation as the first Islamic capital of North Africa.